This lady and her friend was found stealing Lasco.
JGTV, your choice for Jamaican entertainment.
Bang, 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 connect!
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody have a fantastic day so far. So, people, may have a video of one woman where them catch a St. Mary, a take Lasco when I belong to her, take Lasco and no pay feet. Here's what I say. So, I go play the video and then I go share my whole 2 cents about the whole thing. Check it out.
This is Town. This is Town, St. Mary. This lady and her friend was found stealing Lasco. Whole 4-pack of Lasco. I don't know if she robbed anybody's business place, but we have to protect each other. So right now, see that she don't have one up her face. See her face, good?
No,
yeah. Rob. So we have her in custody right now at Town. Zin? Nah, let her go. Zin? And this year, and the wig have to come off too. Without wig. See? See there? Lasco. Look.
Don't fuck yourself.
You're big. Yeah. You're big and brave. Many people who spend with me every day rob me. Fuck. It ain't gonna work. You don't have no phone neither. Well, I'm on this. You can't keep no phone now. You don't have the rights though, miss.
Don't put that in the back. Don't put it in your bag. Don't get in video.
This is Stephen Kerner, Supermark 711. The second and third one done.
Yo.
Come in that camera, miss.
They walk out from bed.
Let them come back in and see you.
Get them embarrassed.
This is 711. 104 back.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers. So here what I want to know. This is just my whole thing on the situation. You see, if I did one man that, if that was a man, things would not be different. The outcome would be so much different. And the way them deal with her right so was very nice. They were being very nice to her. You see what I say? But Mecca did one man. Oh my word, man. When 2 red stripe back reach him head back or something, or him would have to do some push-ups or something. You see me? But this is why I always say people that I respect every higgler with upon the road. I respect every young youth out there where I sell chocolate or where I sell fruits or I sell plum or whatever it is. I will always forever respect them people. So I say, and I would rather buy from them. All women don't want it, brother. I buy from them. If them out there sell bag juice or them out there sell tissue or soap powder or anything, all women I want it. I go to them and I say, yo, how much for that? Alright, give me one now. You see me? Because I respect people who try. You understand? And I would encourage you guys to, so whenever I see iglas out there and all women don't want it, man, just go up there go buy one. Just go up there go buy one and take it and carry it go home. If you must find some use for it. You see me? Now with this woman now, what she do wrong? We all can agree say yo, what she did was wrong. You see me? Because that is stealing. You see what I say? And number one, me say this people, yo, life hard, you know. Life hard a road, you know, people. You think it easy? You see me? Me not condone what she do, but life hard, you know, brother. And a Lasco she take, you know, and I like say, I can't be for nothing, I just Lasco. You see what I say? We don't know if she gonna use it for carry go home go feed our children. You see me? Cause maybe the kids them they home hungry and have nothing, and she not have no help or no support and decide say yo she gonna take them Lasco there and carry go home for feed our kids. We don't know what is going on with the lady. You see what I say? We don't know. And to be honest with you, if me did that and me realize and me see this, me wouldn't help her out. Wouldn't say yo how much of them for Lasco there? Yo, all this and make sure go on. All this and make sure go on, man. Cause guess what? The struggle is real, you know. The struggle is real a road. You see me? If I was there and me see what go on, wouldn't just pay, honestly, wouldn't pay for them. Not saying that everybody is like me, but God know. You see, when you can make peace rain, people. You see what I say? Cause road not easy, it hard a road, brother. You see me? Again, I'm not condone what she do, but at the end of the day, yeah, what she do wrong still. But me would if me did that instead of them do that, me wouldn't just say, yo, all this, make sure go on. You see me? Where you can make peace rain, people make peace rain. My beautiful people, let me know what you're thinking in the comments about this, because it wrong. Yeah, we know say it wrong, and we don't know, you know, we don't know the struggle that the woman there go through where force her for do that, you know. You see me? We don't know the struggle, and we all know struggle in a one way, shape or form. So if you can help out a situation, people, just help out a situation and make peace reign. No bother with the whole camera thing and show off and you see me? Well, that are just my whole 2 cents about the whole thing, people. Yo, let me know what you're thinking in the comments about this. What would you do if you were there? What would you do about this? How? Me no know. Just let me know what you're thinking in the comments. But what would you do about this? How would you react? What they do was right? Let me know in the comments, people. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, subscribe. I'm out.